She looked at what she had and compared it to a dream she thought existed somewhere else. In this battle, her imagination won. This is common, because imagination does not have to deal with the messy truth of reality. It does not see the flaws, the daily habits, or the deep effort that every real connection needs to survive. She chose a fantasy and decided to live inside that choice. But eventually, the dream faded, and what she found was not what she expected. To understand this, we must first look at the psychology of why people believe a new person will bring them more happiness. When you understand this clearly, you stop feeling like her choice was a reflection of your value. The belief that someone new is the answer to our problems is almost never based on truth. It is based on the powerful illusion of a fresh start. A new person is like a blank page. They do not carry a shared history of arguments or mistakes yet. They have not had the time to show their limitations or their negative patterns. In the beginning, they only exist in the mind as an ideal version of a human being. But no one can live as an idea forever. What she actually chose was not a real man. It was a concept, and concepts always break when they meet the weight of real life. Reality always arrives. Patterns always show up. The hard work required in every long-term bond always returns. Over time, she learned a simple but painful lesson. The new person also has patterns. They might be different patterns, but they are still there. Every human being has baggage, habits, and moments of weakness. She also realized that true happiness was never something the person next to her could create. Peace always comes from within. It comes from your own mindset and your own ability to be content with yourself. No person can fix the emptiness inside another person. Moving from one relationship to another to find joy is like moving from one house to another to escape the rain when the hole is actually in your own umbrella. Happiness is built internally through awareness and the choices we make every single day. This brings us to a very important truth. You cannot let her failure or her realization be the reason you feel worthy. If you only feel good because she realized she made a mistake, then your self-esteem is still tied to her. If her disappointment makes you feel better about yourself, your value is still depending on her opinion. Real growth happens when you move your sense of worth away from what others think and place it firmly in your own actions. You must focus on your own discipline and your own character. Every morning you should ask yourself only one question. Did I act today as the person I want to become? If the answer is yes, that is enough. You do not need her validation to be a man of value. You do not need her to regret her choice to know that you are enough. We must also be honest about the dynamic you both had. Her decision did not happen in a vacuum. It is important to look at the past without blame, but with a desire to learn. You have to ask yourself hard questions. What was I contributing to the situation? Was there something missing in how I showed up? Was I losing my own identity while trying to please her? These questions are uncomfortable, but they are the seeds of real strength. A man who looks at his own mistakes honestly is a man who will not repeat them. He becomes stronger because he knows his own shadows. He does not hide from the truth. He uses it to build a better version of himself. When she eventually realizes that the new choice did not bring the magic she hoped for, how you respond will define your character. Your response should not come from a place of, "I told you so." It should not come from your ego feeling proven right. Her experience belongs to her. It is her journey and her lesson to learn. Your focus must remain on your own path and your own life. Do not spend your energy wondering what her regret means for your future. If she tries to return, your response must not come from a place of loneliness or raw emotion. It must come from total clarity. You must ask what has actually changed in her. Has she truly grown, or is she just lonely? Real change is never found in words or promises. It is only found in consistent actions over a long time. While she was searching for something that did not exist, you were doing something much more valuable. You were building yourself. You were not just waiting. You were working. You were developing real discipline, self-control, and a sense of purpose. You were creating a life where your peace is not a victim of someone else's decisions. This is the ultimate goal of the Stoic path. The goal is not to be proven right or to win her back. The goal is to become a man who no longer needs to be validated by anyone. You become a man who is steady, complete, and focused on his own mission. When you reach this state, no one's decision can shake your foundation. This experience is not a tragedy. It is the fire that creates the steel of your character. True strength is not about controlling others. It is about having total control over yourself. When she chose an idea over reality, she was following a ghost. But you are following the truth. You are learning that people will come and go, but your character stays with you forever. You are learning that the only person responsible for your soul is you. Do not look back with bitterness. Do not look forward with anxiety. Stand in the present moment and be the best version of yourself. The world may change, people may leave, and illusions may fade, but a man who stands on his own 2 feet with a clear mind is never truly lost. This is the path of wisdom. This is the path of a man who has found his own light and no longer needs to borrow it from others. Build your life on the rock of your own actions, and you will find a peace that no storm can take away. Every day is a new chance to strengthen your mind. When you feel the urge to check on her life or wonder if she misses you, pull your focus back to your own body and your own goals. The energy you spend thinking about her is energy you are stealing from your own future. Every minute spent in the past is a minute lost in the present. Remember that your life is a book, and while she may have been a long chapter, she is not the whole story. You are the author. You decide how the next chapter begins. You decide what kind of hero you want to be. A hero does not wait for someone to realize his worth. He proves his worth through his resilience and his silence. Silence is often the loudest message you can send. It shows that you are busy living, not waiting. It shows that you have moved on to higher ground. As you move forward, you will notice that your taste in people changes. You will no longer be attracted to those who chase illusions. You will look for substance, for truth, and for those who understand that a real connection is built with bricks of effort, not clouds of imagination. You will become a magnet for quality, because you have become a person of quality yourself. This is the hidden gift of betrayal or abandonment. It forces you to find the strength you didn't know you had. It strips away the distractions and leaves you with the most important project you will ever work on, yourself. So, take a deep breath and let go of the need for an apology or an explanation. The closure you need is not in her words. It is in your own progress. Every step you take away from the drama is a step toward your own kingdom. Stay focused. Stay disciplined. Stay true to the man you are becoming. The path is long, but the view from the top is worth every difficult step you take today. Your value is not a price tag that someone else gets to decide. It is an internal flame that you must guard. People will try to blow it out with their inconsistent choices and their lack of vision. But you must be the wall that protects that flame. Let your work speak for you. Let your calmness in the face of chaos be your signature. When others are chasing the next new thing, you are mastering the old truths of endurance and self-reliance. This is what it means to be truly free. You are no longer a prisoner of how she feels about you. You are the master of how you feel about yourself. And in that mastery, you find a power that is far greater than any romantic illusion. You find the power of a man who knows exactly who he is. That man can never be broken, and he can never be replaced. He is complete all by himself.